Hey, hello and welcome you all in another video. In this video, I am going to talk about XB400 extra bass earphones via Sony. Is it worth buying in 2021? And we have lot upcoming to it. So these are all the contents of this video. As you can see, unboxing. Is it worth buying in 2021? Sony XB400 versus OnePlus Bullets. Pros and cons rating and my honest opinion. And one more thing, link and the timestamp will be in the description box below. So first we will look at the unboxing of this product. As I ordered via Amazon, this product was around the price of this product like 3000 to 4000. I bought it in 3000. So this is the product itself. As you can see, the Sony original genuinity logo is shining, which is a very great thing because Sony has enormous amounts of fake products like made in China and something like so, copy clone products. So these are all the exact box features as I had shown. So Sony has taken care of its genuineness. So it has more stickers and more void labels, which is a very great thing and good news. So extra bass is labeled everywhere, so we have to definitely look after it. So this is our unboxing. Let us tear the void label sticker. So yeah, as you can see, as soon as we remove the sticker, it it leaves some residues like void, warranty void or something like that. So in this case it is leaving residue as Sony, which mean we cannot however we try, we can't fix the tape as it is. So let us open the box and have a look at our box contents. As soon as we remove the box, we got just a small package. Yeah, this is, and inside the box we got nothing like extra some written user manuals. One thing I like about Sony is its packaging and its compactness. As you can see, Sony will deliver everything in a small user manual and small user package. This is a very great thing for environment. So this is the product itself. I ordered the black one. So this is the black color, but it may look bluish, but the blue color will be somewhat sky bluish color. So as of now, we have to look at this. So this is the user controls, and the great news is it has USB Type-C charging, and yeah, Sony brand logo. And as usual, Sony will endorse all its certificates in every products. Even in Sony phones also we can see NFC symbols and many. So inside the box we got another user manual, user guide. These are two different things, you have to read it. So this is the normal USB to Type-C for charging purpose, and these are all the extra two earbuds. One is small and one is large. The medium will be already installed in it. So is it worth buying in 2021, which is priced 3000 to 4000? So for knowing this answer, we have to go forward and we have to be in our agenda of this content of this video. So stay tuned for that. Watch till end. So hugely compared rival is OnePlus Bullet Z. So there are many similarities between Sony and these OnePlus Bullets. The major similarities are both are wired Bluetooth headphones, and both has magnetic buds. Magnetic tips to attach itself, and both are Bluetooth 5 connectivity. Both has same battery life. but one dissimilarities is the bass and the instruments vocals will be much clearer in Sony, but OnePlus lacks very much. And again, the very great is OnePlus is just around 2000 or so, but the Sony headphones is starts around 3000 to 4000. So the pros of this product, I have a list, and the list keep on going, but I shortcut it in just in 9 numbers. So first thing is it has very great bass, as the product mentioned here, and the extra bass. Assured, I can assure you that if you are looking for a bass headphones, you can go for it. Next is super battery life. For me, it gave around 14 to 15 hours continuous usage, you can say. The vocals are very clear and excellent connectivity, no issues in connectivity. Fast charging within 3 hours, under 3 hours it completely charges. Then inbuilt mic is amazing, flat cable which is useful for tangle free. Sleek design, you can't feel the headphones very bulky in your neck. Inbuilt smart assistants like Siri, Google Assistant and Alexa, you can access them. Next thing, the cons is I have used it for around a week or so, then after that only I can issue some of the cons. Some minute lags in game. If you play games, especially online games, you can feel lags. Only 2 color option, one is blue, one black. Wire length is somewhat short, it should be somewhat lengthy in my aspect. Price is literally huge. No water resistant, it is just splash proof. No active noise cancellation, it has passive but it great. So my ratings is, very honestly, I gave the rating for bass, it is 5 out of 5. And again, vocals 4 out of 5, nothing downside. And again, Bluetooth connectivity, no doubt 4. Battery is again 4. Charging speed I will give 5, because for me, I charge it in normal type C fast charging cable, so it gives around under 2.5 hours it is full charge. Ear fit is amazing. Noise cancellation, as I said, no active noise cancellation, so that. And my honest opinion about this product, whether to buy or not in 2021, those, as you can see, the MRP in the Sony website itself, it goes above 4990, which is around 5000. In that price you can buy 2 OnePlus wireless Bullet Z's. And also, if you want to buy the Sony headphones, then these are my honest opinions. Those who are enthusiasts like music based work, and they have to be in this kind of job, like every vocals and bass and music instrument, they are fond of music, then definitely they can invest in this. If they are a normal and regular usage, a steady and a rough and tough user, then I won't suggest you this, because OnePlus Wireless Z Bullet has a sturdy neckband, and it has, like, if you plug the magnets, it will automatically switch on and switch off. Those are some minor small improvements in OnePlus Wireless Bullet Z, so you can look after it. And there are many other brands, MIUI Color, MIUI Thunderbits, there are many like things, so you can look after it. But those who are enthusiasts and looking for a genuine Sony brand, and they are looking for the branded thing, so yeah, they can go for this Sony Wireless XB400. And my honest opinion, whether you can buy in 2021 or not, whether it may be 2021 or any year, the product should be worth of the price at that time. It is what my concern every time. So at this time, if you can buy this product in or around 3000 to 4000 or below that, please grab this product, you will love it. Thank you guys, that is in this video. If you like my video, please do subscribe, like and share. If you have any queries, suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. Thank you, that's it for now in this video.